Reactivating a Facebook page. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. This one's for those who deleted a page, regretted it, and want to reactivate it again. You can reactivate within 30 days, and this video shows you how. If you like these types of videos, we have more on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making videos to help you guys out. Let's get started. On Facebook, once logged in, go to the side menu and click on the Pages option. Click on Pages. Here you'll see your active pages, and on the side you'll find all the pages you've deactivated or deleted. In this case, I can't reactivate because I'm not the page admin. You need to log in with the admin account to reactivate. So I'll switch to the correct account by clicking up here and selecting the right one. Now I'm logged in correctly and I see the option to activate and how many days I have left. 29 days until permanent deletion. To activate, just click Activate next to it and your deleted page will be reactivated instantly. Did you get it? I've put in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Cheers.